Okay, mga karoro, mga kagala, andito na tayo, papasok na tayo, papunta na tayo sa entrance ng Ian Mall. We are going to the entrance of the Ian Mall again this afternoon because we will buy something that we will use in vlogging. Because I think it's a high time that I will focus on my YouTube channel dahil ang tagal na panahon ko na rin nag-upload, puro upload lang, so it's time for me to work on it. So ayan, we are now entering the Merry Christmas. Okay, we're going up to the third floor. Ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor. No, second floor. Ground floor, first floor, second floor. Nandun yung bibilihan natin ng mic for vlogging para hindi masyadong maingay yung garal-garal ng mga tunog-tunog at kung ano-ano pa man. So yan, Decathlon, but we're not going there. We're going upstairs. So you see Decathlon, there's restaurant. So after we buy that, we will eat. Okay, but for now, let's buy that. I like it. Okay, so dito na tayo sa second floor. So that's the Daiso. So ayan, malapit na tayo sa gadget. Yeah. Gadget, whatever it is. So, gadget go. This is where I will buy my okay. So let's go inside. So ayan, pabalik na ako. Ayan, nabili na natin yung gusto natin bilhin. Ito. Okay. So later, pag-aaralan natin kung paano siya gamitin. And then, i-unbox natin siya. Okay. So, bye-bye for now, mga karoro. Happy. Ayan, palabas na ulit tayo. So, bye-bye ulit. Ayan mo. Talagang, ito lang talaga yung pinunta ko rito. So, ito lang talaga yung pinunta ko dito. So, okay. So, mamaya meron na tayong noise reduction at magagamit natin sa ating vlogging. Bye-bye! Open Sesame!